Hi, we are the staff mediators for the 15th Circuit, and we are here to talk with you about being prepared for your mediation. Please note, what we will explain is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, please seek out the services of an attorney. Let's start at the beginning. You have received a court order of referral to mediation. Let's go through it from top to bottom. First, you will see the where and when of your mediation. Make sure to note the date and time, and check to see which courthouse you should be in, where it is located, and the room of your mediation. Your order may allow for Zoom mediation. If you wish to appear by Zoom, call the mediation office at 561-355-2739 and let them know. Do not wait until the last minute to do this. Once you ask for a Zoom mediation, make sure to regularly check your email for the Zoom link. Also, check your email trash or junk mail. You must log on at least 10 minutes prior to ensure that your audio and video are working. Next, if your case includes a domestic violence incident, you must advise the mediation office and fill out and send in the questionnaire that is attached to the order. Then comes fee payments. Unless you received a waiver, mediation fees must be paid in advance. You can pay in person at the self-service center in any of the courthouses, or you can make a payment by visiting the clerk's website at mypalmbeachcountyclerk.com, clicking on Make Payment, and then clicking on Mediation Fees. If your combined yearly gross income is between $0 and $50,000, the fee is $60 for each person, unless waived. If your combined yearly gross income is between $50,000 and $100,000, the fee is $120 each, unless waived. If the combined income is more than $100,000 gross per year, you must utilize a private mediator. Gross income means before taxes. Combined income means the total of both parties' income. For example, if you put in your financial affidavit that your gross income is $5,000 per month, we will assume $60,000 per year for you. If the other party puts in their financial affidavit that their gross income is $5,000 per month, we will assume $60,000 per year for them. The combined gross income would be $120,000 per year. In that case, you would not qualify for court mediation. Next, you will see that the mediation order states that you must bring your financial disclosure to mediation. Make sure you have filed your financial affidavit and that you have followed any other disclosures that are required of you. Both parties must ensure that current financial affidavits are filed with the court at least 10 days in advance of the mediation. You will also see that the mediation order states that the mediator must produce a child support calculation. This means that if your case involves children and you have worked out a parenting plan, you should expect to talk about child support. Take a look at our other videos found on the 15th Circuit website to learn more about these topics. It is important that you arrive on time for your mediation. Please make any arrangements that you need in advance, such as childcare and/or preparing for traffic delays. Note, it can take a minimum of 15 minutes or longer to get into the courthouse from your car depending on the lines to get into the courthouse. You cannot cancel a mediation without a court order. You cannot call or email the mediator asking to cancel. If you are a person with a disability who needs any accommodation in order to participate in the mediation, you should contact the Americans with Disabilities Act coordinator at the phone number in the order of referral to mediation prior to the mediation. Finally, if you need an interpreter, you must follow the instructions located on page 5 of the mediation order. If you cannot hire a certified interpreter, you may bring someone to help you. But that person must be an adult with no interest in the case. That is, not a friend or family member. Understand that your interpreter's only role is to interpret for you. Remember, you are scheduled for a maximum of 2 hours. You must plan to use those 2 hours to work towards a resolution of your case. Please arrive on time and please be prepared to mediate.